Welcome to the latest update of pCon.facts. Discover our new features. With our latest version of pCon.facts, you can now reconfigure your products directly from your article list. Imagine selecting the perfect chair for your space, you add it to your list, but then realize you want to tweak the configuration. No problem with the new feature. You can now easily fine-tune your chosen products. This means no more deleting and starting over. With a single click, your updates are saved and the product effortlessly reappears in your article list. This powerful feature saves you time and streamlines your process. In no time, you're back in the Configuration tab. Watch as this chair is effortlessly reconfigured. Perfectly suited to your needs. It's that simple and that effective. Want to experience the benefits firsthand? Download the pCon.facts app now from the App Store or Google Play.